Handicap race number 5. All set now, ready to race. Race number 8. And the race is on. Newsmaker fast to begin, followed by Marcus Wolf. Best Art racing on the outside. Then comes Super Elegant Gray Magic. El Bimbo third last by the Red Strong Boy, and Pilio is running at the tail of the field by about 8 to 9 lengths of the leader. The front runner number 7 Best Art by a length and a half, followed by Newsmaker, and on the outside third is Marcus Wolf, and rounding the far turn Best Art, Newsmaker pokes his nose. On the outside is Best Art. Best Art, Newsmaker by the hopping and popping. Closing in third is Marcus Wolf as they race the last 450. Newsmaker, Best Art on the outside. Marcus Wolf opted to run down on the inside as they race the last 250. Newsmaker by about 2 lengths. Best Art, Marcus Wolf, and on the outside third is entry number 5, Super Elegant. Newsmaker, Marcus Wolf down on the inside. Newsmaker, Marcus Wolf by the rail. And finally, it's going to be Newsmaker, Marcus Wolf, Best Art, Super Elegant, Ray Magic,